No more staring at a blank screen. No more, what do I post today? In this video, I'll show you my exact AI workflow to create a full month of content in one focused session. You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need a clear offer, a rough idea of who you help, and an AI tool. Let's dive in. If you're a business owner or a freelance marketer, you probably know this feeling. You're busy with clients, sales, admin, and then you think, oh right, I still need to post something on social media. You open your laptop, open your socials, and your mind is completely blank. You scroll, you compare yourself to others, you maybe write half a post, and 30 minutes later, you're frustrated and still not consistent. The problem is not that you're lazy. The problem is that you're trying to create content on the fly under pressure without a system. That's where AI becomes powerful, not as a magic button, but as a structured assistant in your content workflow. Why does this work? This 1-hour workflow is built on 3 simple ideas, one content pillar at a time. You don't try to cover everything. You focus on one main topic your audience cares about. AI is an idea engine, not your replacement. AI helps you brainstorm, structure, and draft. You still add your tone, examples, and opinions. Batching instead of daily stress. You create your ideas, posts, and captions for 30 days in one session, and then just publish. Once you understand these 3 ideas, the rest is just following the steps. Step 1. Define your content pillar and audience, 5 minutes. Before you open any AI tool, answer these 2 questions on paper or in a simple document. Who am I talking to? For example, freelance designers who want more clients, or coaches who sell online programs. What's one problem I help them solve? For example, getting consistent leads from social media, or writing better sales pages. Then write a simple sentence you can feed to AI like, I help freelance designers get more high-paying clients through better online marketing. This is your content pillar for this session. Step 2. Use AI to generate 30+ content ideas, 10 to 15 minutes. Now open your AI tool and give it a clear prompt. For example, you are a content strategist for small business owners. I help target audience to result. Give me 30 content ideas for short posts that are practical and specific, speak directly to their pains and desires, mix tips, mistakes, myths, and mini case studies. AI will generate a list for you. If the ideas are too generic, reply with something like, make them more specific to your niche, add more real-life situations and objections they have. Within a few minutes, you'll have 30+ ideas you can actually use. Step 3. Turn ideas into formats and platforms. 10 minutes. Next, you decide where each idea will live. For example, 10 ideas become short videos or reels, 10 ideas become LinkedIn or Instagram posts, 5 ideas become short emails, 5 ideas become carousels or longer posts. Tell AI something like, from the 30 ideas you just gave me, assign each idea to a format, short video, feed post, or email. Make a table with day number, idea, format, platform, working title. Now you already have a content calendar for 30 days. You've gone from no idea what to post to a full month of planned topics in one go. Step 4. Draft your posts with AI, 20 to 25 minutes. Now we let AI help you write first drafts. Say to your AI tool, now write short drafts for each idea. For short videos, write a hook, 3 key points, and a simple call to action. For posts, write 120, 180 words in a conversational tone. For emails, write 200, 300 words with one clear lesson and a soft CTA to my offer. You don't need to polish everything perfectly in this hour. The goal is rough but usable drafts for all 30 pieces. If a draft feels off, tell AI, make this more casual, or make this sound like I'm talking to one person, not a crowd. You're teaching the AI your style as you go. Step 5. Add your voice and expertise, 10 to 15 minutes. This is where you make the content truly yours. Quickly go through the drafts and, Add your own examples or client stories. Change words you would never say. Cut any fluff or generic phrases. Make sure the call to action fits your offer. You don't need to spend 15 minutes on each piece. Think, 1 or 2 minutes per post. Ask yourself, would I actually say this out loud to a client? If not, tweak it until it sounds like you. Step 6. Organize and schedule 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, you copy everything into your content planner or spreadsheet, your scheduling tool, or even a simple folder with days and captions. Label each piece clearly. Day 1, short video. Day 2, post, and so on. Now, instead of waking up and thinking, what do I post today? You just open your plan and publish the next piece. 1 hour of focused work gives you 30 days of structured content. Let's walk through a quick example. Imagine you're a fitness coach for busy professionals. Your pillar sentence is, I help busy professionals get in shape with simple 20-minute workouts at home. You tell AI, give me 30 content ideas for busy professionals who say they have no time to work out. Mix myths, mistakes, quick tips, and motivational posts. AI comes back with ideas like 3 workout myths that waste your time. Why 20 minutes is enough if you do this one thing right. What to do when you're too tired after work. Simple 4-exercise routine you can do next to your desk. Then you ask, turn these into a 30-day plan with formats for Instagram Reels, feed posts, and emails. Now you get a table with Day 1, myth-busting reel. Day 2, feed post about too tired after work. Day 3, email with a 20-minute routine, and so on. Then you generate drafts, tweak them with your own workout tips, your client stories, your personality. Suddenly, you have a full month of content that directly speaks to your ideal client's excuses and problems. That's the power of combining your expertise with AI. So to sum it up, here's the 1-hour AI workflow. Define one clear content pillar and audience. Use AI to brainstorm 30 specific content ideas. Turn those ideas into a 30-day content calendar with formats and platforms. Let AI draft your posts, videos, and emails. Add your own voice, stories, and opinions. Organize and schedule everything in one place. If you start doing this just once a month, you'll stop chasing content, and content will start working for you. If you found this helpful and you want more AI plus marketing workflows like this, hit subscribe to Luminous Growth and turn on notifications. And if you want to try the tools I mentioned, you'll find the links in the description below.